Gold and silver traded with moderate bullishness so far for the day. We have seen gold prices coming all the way towards 47, 44, 48 levels here, while silver has also moved higher and now trading around 74. What to expect from gold and silver with the US session? Are we looking forward to a further rise here? How high the metal's gonna go? Or there is a possibility of a drop? What should be our strategy? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. First, we're gonna look at gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. See, gold on the hourly charts has formed a very good support now at 4700 mark here. It has to trade below 4700 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. As long as 4700 is respected, do not treat this as bearish. That is pretty clear. Also, you can try to initiate a slightly riskier trade if you see it is staying below 4720 mark here, but then it is going to be riskier as long as 4700 is not taken. Once 4700 is taken, this may show a fall. Else right now this is staying strong, this is staying bull. Stochastic here is also overbought, while the MACD after retracing towards the bottom, just crossing over here, is a good supportive sign for a further rise. RSI is also trying to bounce back. Coming to 2 hour, now see on the 2 hour charts here, look at this rise, then a retracement, then the support, rise, retracement, again the support. Now it has formed a very good support at 4700. With the support at 4700, it is trying to decide the direction it wants to take. Notice these two candles almost symmetrical. Only bearishness is below 4700 mark, that is pretty clear. Again the same, you can initiate a sell at 4720 itself, but then 4710, 4700 is what you have to wait for it to break below. Once these levels are taken, then only we can expect a fall. Else what will happen, it is ready to rise. If at all you see it is staying beyond 4750, just buy here and expect 47 see 4750, 4760, 65 also. This is also second resistance zone. If it trades beyond 4760 and 65, then just stay bullish of 4780, 85, or in fact 4800 here. Any trade beyond 4800 should invite greater bullishness here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading where it's trying to converge. RSI is running almost flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts also, look at the kind of support it has generated here at 4700, and with that support we had seen couple of bullish candles here. However, it can still reverse, but right now it is not showing much weakness because it has formed a very good base. I'll just wait. If at all it gives you breakout on the upside beyond 4760, 65, certainly bullish momentum will pick up. Else I'll just wait for it to break either of these levels on the upside and decide a direction. For now, this is neither confirming bullishness nor bearishness. It is keeping itself intact in this retracement channel. That is also pretty clear. Yes, this is a bullish retracement channel. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading with moderate bearishness. If you see the RSI, this is running almost flat. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts also similar observation. See straight bearish candle support, and with this as support trying to bounce back. First greener candle, wait for the next one here. If at all it trades beyond 4750, I think 4760, 65 should be there, and beyond that more bullishness should be 4780, 85 next, and then in fact we may see it 4800, 4820 and 4850 levels. Stochastic is on rise, support is sign for the bulls, while the MACD crossing over, trading with moderate bearishness here. RSI is running almost flat. Coming to daily, and friends, why I deliver twice a day updates, this is just for you all, and your every like, comment and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Before leaving the video, can I request you to just press the like button? In fact, I can take a pause here for you to take a press a like button here. Friends, this is the motivation for which I come across, for which I come forward twice a day consistently to the best of my abilities and deliver profits to you all. Also, you can share super thanks, you can hype the video, and many of you had asked me to recommend a broker, a trustworthy partner which offers a swap free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. What I found good personally with this is that no stop loss hunting, no price manipulation, and easier to trade, and customer support is also very exceptional. So you can find the recommended broker and join this broker and enjoy your trading journey. Also, my next batch, mentorship batch 38 batch, starts on 13th of April. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Yes, this time the batch could be completely free for you because we have come up with a great offer that upon completion of batch, you'll be added to our paid signals channel absolutely free, where with the help of signals, we'll make you recover the complete tuition fee and you can be part of it. And once your fees is recovered, it will be up to you to trade independently or trade with us. Do not miss to be part of it, and those who are directly willing to join the signals channel can join it today itself. Again, reach out to me for queries. Now See, on the daily charts also, if you look at the kind of formation, again, the support levels here and here are pretty strong. This is still staying in this retracement channel here, rise, retracement, support, rise, retracement. Now trying to bounce back up again. Now see, today what it has done, it has taken the support here from the 20 and the 100 period moving average. Now it is very, very crucial for gold to trade below 4700. As long as it stays above 4700, it's not yet bearish. In fact, even if it trades below 4700, remember 4660 is what it has to trade below. 4660, 4640 mark. Once these levels are taken, this is going to move towards 4600, and below 4600 a greater fall will be seen here. See, if you see the symmetrical formation here, almost identical moves. What preceded this was a good rise, what could follow is a good drop, but right now it is not showing any weakness. A breakout here rather cannot be denied. Stochastic flat here, the MACD is rising since the crossover. This is trading bullish. RSI is running flat. So considering this, what you should, now this is pretty simple here. You can buy here at 47.50 levels here. Expect it to move towards 47.58, 47.65. Once this is taken, then expect it to move towards 47.80, 84. If this is taken, then 4800, 4804 zone. Once this is taken, 4822. And beyond this, we are looking at 4840, 4852. Once these levels are taken, I think we are going to see an enormous rally towards 4885, 4910, and in fact 4930, 4970 should not be too far. However, today it appears to be difficult. Let's see if at all it shows any kind of such move. I think such a strong move towards 4970 appears difficult. Hence, take your trades and positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at the downside, where to sell. Now, one thing is pretty clear, till 4700, your sells are at risk, and thus I will recommend you to sell only if you see it trading below 4720. That is still a riskier trade. However, 471012, first target, 4700, the next. Once it trades below 4700, you can expect slight bearishness to prevail. Below 4700, you can expect 4680, 4660. Now 4660, 4640, you should watch out for. If these levels are taken, it is going to land at 4600, and 4600 and 4580 is a prime support zone. Any drop below this should lead to a greater fall here. You have to be careful here. Let's see which direction it takes. Right now it is not showing much weakness, and the strength is also missing. So if it gives you a breakout, this is going to be a stronger one, and if it breaks down again, it is going to be a stronger one. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver on the early charts, after striking the top here, it is reversed immediately. It has shown a good fall. Now see, this is a range bound move. It is neither stayed bullish nor it is shown any signs of weakness here. In fact, the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover, and it is struggling to break out beyond this zone, and thus I'll just wait for it to trade beyond 74.40, 74.60 levels. Once it trades beyond 74.40, 74.60, we can expect 75.20, 75.80, 76, and once 76 is taken, the bulls will take over completely. Else right now this is not showing much strength. See the kind of moves it is shown. At the same time, on the downside, I'll just wait for it to trade below 73.80, 73.60 levels. Once it trades below 73.80, 73.60, then only the bearishness might prevail. Stochastic comfortably positioned here. The MACD, after a good drop, it is on the verge of a crossover for buy. RSI is almost running flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see, after this good drop, just confining itself within a narrow range here, I'll just wait for it to deliver a breakout, a move beyond 74.40, 74.60 be a good indication that it is going to rally high. At the same time, on the downside, we have to watch out 73.80, 73.60 or 73.50 levels here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading with moderate bearishness, RSI is running flat. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation. See, the bearishness here was strong, then the bearishness getting diminished here. It has just formed a good support, good base here, waiting for a breakout. The next round of move, I'm just waiting for a move beyond 74.40, 74.60 be a good indication for a buying entry here. Right now, this is not yet confirming. Stochastic rising, while the MACD is trading bearish since the crossover. This is looking downwards. RSI running flat. Look at 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts also similar observation, consolidation, trying to break out here, trying to bounce back, and a good support is also seen here. Let's see if at all it breaks here on the downside or gives you a breakout here on the upside. Right now it is quite range bound move and not confirming any of directions here. Stochastic definitely is rising, while the MACD just crossing over, trading with moderate bearishness. RSI is running flat. Now coming to the daily. See, on the daily charts, if you look at the pattern here, there was a squeeze between the 20 and 50 period moving average. These has been a good resistances. See, it has tried to trade above, but kissing just 50 period, price has reversed immediately. Also notice higher lows are consistently seen, higher highs are seen here. This is clearly staying in this bullish channel. If you look at the movement here, rise retracement, rise here, and then immediate pullback has appeared. Now on the downside, 72 and 70, on the upside, 76, 78. It has to come out of this zone in order to confirm a clear direction for the near term. Now see what has happened yesterday. First of all, almost symmetrical here. Then the rise has appeared and immediately it has pulled back. Now today it has started with slight lows but trying to reverse. Still not confirming a complete reversal. It has to trade beyond this zone, that is 76. Staying above 76, the bulls will take over completely and then we can expect a greater rise towards 78 or in fact 80 levels here. Stochastic running flat, the MACD crossing over at the bottom, trading bullish here, RSI flat. So considering this, what you should see, I'll recommend you to buy at 74.60 levels and expect it to move towards 75.20 and then 75.80, $76 as the next targets here. Till 76, enormous resistances are available for silver here on the upside. Once 76 is taken, I think we are going to see it at 77.1 and 78. Staying above 78, 80 is the next target, and then beyond 80, sky is the limit. 84 should be seen. On the down, I will recommend you to sell here at 73.8, 73.5 is the next, or 73.5, 73.4 is the next. Now these levels are very crucial for silver to break. If these levels are taken, you can stay short for 72.8, 72. Once it trades below 72, the bearishness might prevail and then expect 71 and 70. If 70 is taken, this is going to crash hard towards 68, 66 and lower levels. Though I think today is not the day for this, it might take a little time and hence you have to be trading with caution. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do not forget to press the like button, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is the motivation to come out consistently and deliver to the best of my ability such that we can all profit together, we can all grow together. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.